Okay, so going to base 3, we see the pattern seemed to start at 11 and have, what was the pattern that we saw in the numbers?
Times 3, and then you add 2.
Times 3, add 2. Okay, so the pattern seems to start at 102 in base 3.
So that means it should go, multiplying by 3 just shifts over, and then you add 2, so it should go 102, 102, 2, etc.
102, 102, 2, 102, 2, 2, 102, 2, 2, and that allows us to make a prediction for base 4.
So that means maybe we could.
So in base 4, we're going to start with the number. What do you think? What number we're going to start with?
Maybe. So I think we're going to be multiplying by 4 and adding 3 here.
Okay. So what's the first number in the pattern going to be in base 4? What was the first number in the pattern in base 2?
5.
Which is what?
Which is 101.
Okay. And what was the first number in the pattern in base 3?
111. So it's 102.
Maybe it's going to be 103.
Okay. So we think 103 base 4 should have something interesting. That's 19. And what would be the next number in the pattern?
1033.
1033.
79.
So 19, 79, and
319.
19, 79, and 319. So let's go back to I need to zoom way out here. Fortunately, I moved the camera to get it close. Okay. Now, so we go to base 4. Let this calculate.
So 19.
19 looks nice. What was our next number?
79.
79 looks nice. And what was the last one?
319.
319.
There. I got you right there.
Okay. So those numbers looked out of the blue when we saw them in base 10, but now we uncover the structure. And this should allow us to make a very quick prediction in base 5 as well. So
Maybe it's 104 and then multiply by 5.
okay, so 104 in base 5 would be what?
Would be to 29.
29. And 1044 in base 5. Can you do that really quick?
20. Oh. So it's 125 plus 24. That's 149.
Okay. So what are we expecting? So in a base we've never seen before, what are we expecting? The first number was 29,
29.
and then what?
149. Yep.
Yes.
So look at that. So just with a little bit of research this morning, we were actually able to uncover just a tiny little bit of structure. There's 149. In these mysterious patterns we were seeing. Just a little bit. Now these were specifically the numbers where the pattern looked really nice. And now if we were going to really roll up our sleeves and dig into this, we'd go back to base 2, and when we started seeing strange patterns like 13, try to uncover what the patterns were there. They're probably more complicated. This is good work this morning, guys. Good job.